How to buy and sell crypto on Binance through P2P trading. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Binance, and today I'll guide you on how you can buy and sell crypto on Binance through P2P trading. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and easy, so let me guide you through. What you can do is simply open up Binance and log into your account. Now make sure that you have verified your ID as well, and then go ahead and tap on the trade option on the home page at the bottom of your screen. So once you tap on trade, you can see convert, spot, margin, and buy or sell. So what you can do is on spot you can do P2P, select P2P. Now if you have P2P trading experience, you can tap on I have P2P trading experience. If you are new to P2P, you can tap on I'm new to P2P. Now here you'll have to enable your KYC verification and SMS verification both. Now for now I'll just skip this. Then here you can see on P2P Express, what you can do is you can either, if you want to buy, you can tap on buy. If you want to sell, you can tap on sell. Then you can select the token, whether you want to buy or sell. Select the token by tapping on it, and once you select it, you can enter in how much amount you want to spend. So if I spend this much, I'll be able to get this much BTC, as you can see here. Similarly, if you want to sell, you can head into sell. Now if you have it, then you can tap on it. Then you can tap on select payment method, and you can see here I have insufficient balance, but you can transfer funds to your funding account. Now this is how you can buy sell crypto on Binance P2P trading. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.